By AC/DC part number 2. In the video description you will find part 1 of this video series where I show you riff number 1 and number 2. And in this video we will learn what I just showed you, riff number 3 and 4. A lot of fun, especially what's going on in the third riff in kind of like the bridge or how you want to call it. It's so much fun to play, such a cool riff. So we start with our third riff here. We start with the open E string, and then we go with the pinky in the 5th fret of the A string, both with downstrokes, and then a pull off to the already waiting ring finger in the 4th fret of the A string. The pinky does a pull off to the 4th fret. If you have trouble with this, maybe just practice this. Hit the string, and then pinky pulls the string to the floor, and that way it creates the note, which is waiting the 4th fret. And then the ring finger does the same for the 2nd fret of the A string where the index finger is waiting. Then 4th fret A string again with a downstroke. With an upstroke, 3rd fret E string with the middle finger and a tiny little bend here. And then upstroke, 2nd fret A string. Up, down, up, down, up, down. After you played the upstroke in the 2nd fret of the A string, 5th fret E string with a down string, up, down, up, down. So it's 5, 6, 7 here on the E string. Up, down, up, down, up, down. 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7. And you can slide into those notes again like we did in the very first riff of the song on the first video. For me it's kind of like easy having kind of a classical approach here in terms of how I hold the neck. You see my thumb in my hand is pretty much far behind. I often, when I play chords, my hand is more or less like this. For this, my hand is kind of like more under the neck, or the thumb is more under the neck. Back of the neck. That way also, my index finger kind of like lies over the top strings, so they get muted. You play that 4 times, and then you shift everything 1 string up to the A and D string. Same thing. 2 times, and back again. 2 times. And then back to the chorus. know, what you find in the first video. And then, before we go into the next riff, we have an A power chord. Bam, bam, solo. What do we play? The chords. So we come to riff number 4. It kind of starts like the very first riff of the song with the E power chord, D power chord, down, up, down, A power chord, down, up, down. And then we have E power chord with down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay? The whole thing. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. E power chord, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. D, A. And then E, A. This is the second ending. E, A. Power chords. And from the top. E, D, A, E. E, D, A, and now E, A, and so on. And then it goes back to the other riffs we already learned in the first video of this tutorial series. So make sure to check out video number 1, which you will find in the video description. Don't miss that. A lot of cool stuff to learn about Back in Black there too. And in the video description, when you're already there, take a look at my free lessons for beginners and advanced players. No matter if you're new to the world of guitar playing or just dropped in again after a couple of years of having a break, why ever you would want to do that, I don't understand. Make sure to check out my free lessons for guitar, no matter if you're playing an electric or an acoustic. Make sure to check it out. A lot of fun. I would love to see you there too. My name is Hannes, and we see us in the next video. Take care. Bye.